God used the process of formation to take Abram and make him the father of faith. You know, he had considerable forms of patterns, lying patterns, lying a couple of times about his own wife. And it's interesting, a king that lived in the world had to correct a man of God that is lying. It's quite sad the day when the world has to correct the church or believers to say, but surely that is not what God is saying. Surely that is not what Scripture is. That is not the pattern that we think you as Christians suppose. That's the sad pattern that we see even in Abraham before he became the father of faith. That is the man Abraham was. But there was a formation eventually that we can see in Scripture that's been referred the father of the faith. We see Moses, the same formation. Many years out in the desert, being formed by processes and eventually become the deliverer of God's people that could take them eventually into that promised land. Obviously, he was not the one but he led them to that forefront before it happened. He was that deliverer.